Since 2004, the Palm Beach State Foundation has been hosting its annual Golf Classic, each year awarding over 200 scholarships that allow our students to graduate, pursue career paths, and impact our community.
The scholarships from the foundation are helping me to achieve my goal of becoming a construction manager.
I'm a single mother of a beautiful 4-year-old son. I graduate from the police academy. The scholarship has just really given me a sense of courage and empowerment to move forward.
After 28 years of service to our country, I felt that a scholarship was an opportunity for me to gain the education necessary to give back to the students, and I want to continue as a professor imparting my wisdom to students so that they can move forward and achieve their own personal greatness.
The scholarships have changed my life. I was the first person in my family to graduate from college in 5 generations. And that was an amazing experience to be able to have my grandmother see the first grandchild actually graduate from college.
During these unprecedented times, thanks to your generosity, PBSC alumni are giving back to the community.
I am thrilled to be a part of the ongoing effort at St. Jude to eliminate catastrophic childhood illnesses.
I'm a first-generation student, and I'm saving lives during this COVID pandemic, thanks to your generosity.
I give back to the community by teaching technology workshops to middle schoolers and high schoolers in the local area.
Thank you to those who have made a true difference in my life, my family's, and this wonderful community.
Thank you so much for donating to Palm Beach State College and helping students just like me.
Thank you for believing in me.